All it is, just go down and right.
Both cats, to the right. So, memories of childhood.
My name's Ashley Bedford. I do as much as I can with the arts. I am part of Make Do Theatre, a physical theatre company based in Huddersfield. I try and do in front of the camera stuff a lot, short films, independent films, feature films, anything that I can sink my teeth into. What I do in a very brief description is probably improvise and adapt. That's probably it. That's all. That's the main thing that I try and do in every situation, even with theatre or in front of the camera. For me, that's the most important thing that I do as well. The only thing that I do, and also the most important. So the reasons are the multiple of to why I do what I do. The big one is I do it for the attention. A lot of the time, I love it, but also the craft of it, self-expression obviously is a big part of it, and part of creating art and being a part of that culture, expressing yourself or a piece of work in a way that just words simply cannot. With regards to themes in my work, there's quite a lot, but I would say reflection and memories and past thoughts, it comes up a lot. So those ones are kind of recycled through no matter what. It's always looking back at something, analysing and assessing what I felt then, what I feel now, how has it changed, why has it changed, like self-understanding kind of deal. I'd say a memorable response to my work will probably be all the work with Make Do Theatre, with our show Little Change. It's about the current homeless epidemic around Kirklees and the surrounding areas, and so we got to know a lot of the people that are homeless around Huddersfield, those areas, and we really got to connect to them, learn the different stories, learn their lives and all the reasons behind why they were homeless, and what little changes we can do to make their lives more bearable. And the response that we got from the people that we interviewed and the people that we got involved in the actual piece of theatre was absolutely amazing. It really filled my heart with the very kind things that they had to say about the piece of work. My Making It workshop today is a lot to do about writing exercises and also contemporary dance exercises. We are looking at home and what it means to an individual person, whether it's a thought, a feeling, a place, a person. I'm going to explore that again through writing and also a bit of contemporary movement. I think people gained a sort of freedom of expression from the workshop, that ability to just trust your instincts and to have a play around with your own writing or your own movement. Don't be so stringent or too caring about what other people think. Just go with your gut and go with your instinct. The advice I'd give to anybody wanting to do anything similar to this, get involved in the industry, would be to just put your whole heart into it. Just really throw yourselves into anything that you can get your hands on. It may not be something you like ideally, but if you put yourself fully into it, people are going to notice, and then you can build your CV and build a career into the point that where in a few years that you really want to be. So yeah, just go for it. Absolutely, just go for it. A big thank you for the I.O.U team and all the staff that are involved in today in making this a possibility and letting me just share my own bit of little knowledge and a bit of fun with everybody here today. It's been absolutely brilliant. Thank you.